Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a very short grain hopper train. Let's check it out. But Chris is going to make me nervous right there. No. We're going to get so close to the railroad tracks. Yeah, we got two grain hoppers. We have two grain hoppers.
Oh, you'll be fine.
I don't want to make me nervous for 3 engines in a row. Oh God, no. This is gonna be too much. Oh God, no. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, Chris, please. I don't. I'll turn the cameras this way. I'm afraid there's gonna be a derail. I'm turning the cameras this way. Oh Jesus. I don't want to log. I don't want to log. I don't want to log. I don't want the viewers to see it. No, Jolie, please. That's enough. I'm sorry. I don't want to do that. I want to see the replay again later. Oh, Jesus. Hate that. No, I'm trying the cameras to save a lot, so I don't want to make the engine nervous. That's why. Jeez.
Oh, that was just some fun.
Wait till there's a stoppage and then we're gonna get off so I can listen to the replay again. There we go. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. That'll be that grain hopper train. The same one. Talk to you later.